Hi, my name is Wyatt Groth and welcome back to the Hammersmith DIY channel. In today's product review video, we're going to be talking to you about this range of metal post caps for 90mm posts. Let's roll the intro. Now, if you like what you see on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you keep up to date with all our latest videos. Now, what you see here is 3 metal post caps. And the 3 post caps in question are all designed to suit a 90 by 90 post. There are 3 different options. We have a stainless steel cap, which is in a shiny mirror finish. We have a powder coated black cap, which as you can see here is black. A bit hard to see against my, my top. And finally, we have a copper post cap here, which is obviously made out of copper. If we take one of our 90mm posts here, I'll just pop one on top and you can see what we're talking about. Underneath the cap, as you can see, it's just hollow. So it just drops over the post like so. Push it down on, and you can see here with the cap that it's it's quite a good look on top of a post. Same with the black one, same deal again. It's just hollow underneath, pressed metal basically. Drop it over the cap, and once again an alternative. I'll just move away from that one because it's a bit hard to see against my black top, but it looks pretty good. And then finally the copper cap, same thing again. Pressed tin. There's a hollow section. It's not actually quite as deep as the stainless and the black one. It actually comes from a different manufacturer, but still the same sort of impression. And once again, a really nice looking addition to a fence post. Now, all 3 of these caps are designed for, well, they're designed for inside or outside application. We bought them in with a view of it being used for an outside application on a fence post. But there's no reason why you couldn't have this on an inside application in a staircase scenario. But as I said, mainly the purpose was for outside application. All 3 of them are perfectly good for outside use. Obviously the powder coated black will be the one that is going to give the least amount of issues. You're not going to need to do any maintenance on it. The stainless steel one you may need to polish and keep looking good. There are products out there in the market to stop it tea staining and tarnishing. And the copper, the same thing again. The copper over time will tend to green off as copper does, and if you want to maintain that copper look, you'll need to keep that polished with products on the market. But once again, you can easily Google those types of solutions for maintaining these caps. In terms of fixing purposes, the black and the stainless ones come with a little hole on the side of the cap. It's a bit hard to see here. You might be able to see with my finger behind. That's the stainless one, and the same with the black one. Obviously, when you drop it over the cap, like so, you'll just use yourself some sort of screw or nail. Ideally, if you've got a black one, you want to use some sort of black screw. The stainless one, same thing again, same sort of stainless screw to fix that in place. Apart from that, there's really nothing else you need to use. That's going to hold the cap in place, and you're not going to have any problems. If you wanted to, you could easily put a little bit of silicone around the top of the cap there and push it down, and that'll also help hold it in place. I should have said to you, the holes are on both sides. With the copper one, they actually come with a couple of copper nails. You can see they're stuck to the bottom of the cap, and obviously you just peel that off, take the nails out. Then when you pop it on top of the cap there, just hammer them in place to secure the cap. One of the beauty of post capitals is it actually protects your post. Because one of the issues you face with a fence post is this is what is called end grain. And end grain is something that when exposed to the rain and sun and wind and all that sort of stuff will eventually crack. Water then starts getting inside and eventually the post will rot out. The beauty of the caps is it helps protect the top of the post. Not only does the cap look great, but also helps the long-term life of your post. Like in all of our videos, the products we show here can be found on our website, hammersmith.com.au. These 3 particular products, you can click the links that will be shown in the content below the video to take you straight to the products on our site, or just go to the site and search for post caps and you can see these post caps as well as a range of other post caps that we sell. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and feel free to drop a comment as I'll reply to any comments we have on the site. If you want to keep up to date with more great content from the Hammersmith DIY channel, please hit the subscribe button below, and also remember to turn on the bell notification so that you can be told when any new video is loaded. This is Wyatt Groth, signing off.